staying up all night.
Brian Frey with RETSY. Today, we are at our newest listing that is featured in Forbes Global Properties. This home is in Arcadia proper, the most desirable neighborhood in all of Arizona. We've got great mountain views and a beautiful house inside. This very special home is so beautiful, so charming, and so loaded with character. The bright open floor plan is loaded with natural sunlight and includes an impressive island kitchen and great looking dining room. The outstanding design is highlighted by gorgeous wood flooring, exposed brick, quality built-in cabinetry, custom lighting, and lovely picture windows that perfectly capture the beauty of the outdoors. Located on the east side of the house, the primary wing has everything you need. A gorgeous bedroom, large resort-style bathroom, and a giant walk-in closet. This is a 5-bed, 3.5 bath, 4,000 square foot perfect family home in the heart of Arcadia. The lush manicured yard with mature trees includes the pool, the spa, and lovely entertaining spaces. Check out this outdoor fireplace. Thank you so much for joining me today to tour this beautiful home in Arcadia proper. As always, for more information, you can contact me directly or check out brianfrey.com.